Hi there, students. Persiflage. Persiflage. An uncountable noun. Okay, this is a pretty formal, rather old-fashioned word. Let's see, it means banter. When you're with a group of friends, you have a light-hearted conversation. You keep joking about each other, mocking each other, yeah, making jokes about each other. That's persiflage. Yeah, this is having one of these light-hearted conversations where you are bantering with your friends. Yeah, so I don't know. A team, yeah, that maybe they are in the changing room after a match. Yeah, there's lots of persiflage going on. Yeah, they are talking, they're chatting, they're making jokes. They're teasing each other, but in a friendly way, and this is the idea of persiflage. Yeah, is joking, joking with your friends, not going into a serious conversation, but something frivolous, something light-hearted. Yeah, maybe you're railing each other, making jokes about each other, but it's quite good-natured. Let's see, if you are in a situation where you need to be polite to somebody you really disagree with very strongly, then it's time for persiflage. Yeah, you discuss important topics, but in a very light-hearted manner. Yeah, not going into in depth to them in depth, because that's where an argument would start. Yeah, so persiflage, good-natured banter. Yeah, light-hearted talk about a subject. Yeah, this is where you're joking with your mates. Yeah, I mean, you're being frivolous, you're messing around. Yeah, you're laughing and joking at about each other. Yeah, it's a bit of light-hearted repartee where you are teasing each other. So persiflage, badinage, banter, yeah, chit chat, okay, repartee. Okay, this is where you are talking with people. Yeah, but you're just joking with them. You're messing around. You're not being serious. Yeah, very often a bit of persiflage is good to camouflage how you really feel. Yeah, so persiflage on a subject, not being serious, not talking about it seriously, just messing around, teasing and joking. Yeah, being frivolous, flippant. Yeah, I guess it could be a style of writing as well that's very light and frivolous and not serious. Yeah, these are jests. You're joking with each other. You're messing around. Yeah, it's verbal messing around. Okay, so let's see, formality. In my opinion, this is a really rather formal word. I think if you use this, many native speakers are not going to understand what it means. I think this is maybe a very 19th century word, or the beginning of the 20th century. I think this word is fairly unusual. Then let's see, as to origin, well, it comes from French. Yeah, from persifler, meaning to tease or to mock. Per, through, and siffler, to whistle. From Latin, silbo, to whistle. And I think maybe if you've got or if you're on stage and you've got a crowd, then maybe they start whistling or jeering or mocking you, and I think that's the idea. They're whistling at you. Okay, so persiflage, banter, light talk, messing around, chatting with repartee, but a formal word. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Persiflage.